Hey guys, it's Sarah from Just My Typewriter, and today I'm recording another video about typewriter emojis. So why don't you stick around and see how this process is done. Why does Apple feel like they can ignore this growing community of insurgency, blah 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 blah? Many followers join in contesting that options for typewriter blah 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 were very limited. Consortium campaign to the unicorns. I just looked into the light and now I can't see anything. Or iPads or computers that look like typewriter keys but type like a keyboard. Too many words. What Chad suggested, it's blinking at me. What does that mean? And more information about this emoji. Okay, let's start over.